Want to customize your Xumo Streambox home screen? It's all about easy access to your favorite content. To move an app, simply press the OK button on your remote. Then use the directional arrows to drag it to a new spot. For quick access, long press OK to pin an app to the top row. To add favorites, navigate to Settings, Favorites, and select your preferred apps. This arrangement reduces navigation time, putting what you watch most front and center. Remember, manual placement is key, as there's no automatic sorting. Here are some pro tips to get the most out of your Xumo Streambox customization. Remember, the interface allows a maximum of 100 apps on screen, so choose what matters most to you. If you encounter an app that won't move, a quick reset often solves the problem. Simply hold the power button for 10 seconds. User reviews note occasional lag when rearranging a large number of apps, so take it slow. Look forward to future updates with AI-driven personalization, automatically suggesting and rearranging apps based on your viewing habits.